We manufacture fancy dress costumes and bring them to market, so we sell them directly to consumers and to businesses. Predominantly we sell through Amazon, eBay and our Magento website stores.
We were managing a business turning 15 million in revenue, probably 600,000 transactions every year, and we were managing that through spreadsheets. So we needed something that brought everything together, and we needed something that gave us real-time information.
We did a full review. We spent 6 months looking at all the ERPs in the marketplace, but our decision was to go with SAP Business ByDesign because it gave us an all-in-one solution. With all the different countries and all the different languages we have all these different data points and data fields that we have to do. ByDesign allowed us to store all of that product data in one place so that our marketing and trading team can go in and make those changes in one place and distribute that information across all the channels.
With the same amount of hours, we can deliver a lot more value because we're focusing on the stuff that pushes the business forwards rather than mopping up the past.
We're brilliant through the implementation, so on day one, we got given a supply chain consultant and a finance consultant. The supply chain consultant helped us with the 3PL integrations and connecting to Channel Unity, who connected directly to marketplaces. And the finance consultants helped us how we understand the complications, particularly on US tax, and how we report that in the system. SAP Business ByDesign allows us to sell all 7 stock pools on all channels when it's appropriate, and also give us access to the Amazon stock pools that we own.
We believe that once fully up to speed, the SAP Business ByDesign platform will halve our month-end close process time.
It'll enable us to distribute reporting, particularly by margin, sales, revenue, by brand, by channel, even by product and by order level, so we can really get on top of our product data.
We see that SAP Business ByDesign will help make us a smarter business.
SAP Business ByDesign should enable us to scale up to a £100 million business without adding complexity to our business.